dive into spatial analysis in ArcGIS Pro, and specifically, we'll be focusing on hotspot analysis using the Getis-Ord Gi star statistic. Let's get started. Unlike global spatial autocorrelation analysis, which examines the overall distribution pattern of data across the entire study area, this section focuses on identifying local patterns and clusters. Specifically, we will use hotspot analysis to identify areas where high values cluster together, known as hotspots, as well as areas where low values cluster together, known as cold spots. This analysis is performed using the hotspot analysis Getis-Ord Gi star tool. In this tutorial, we will begin by analyzing the median income variable to determine which areas contain statistically significant local clusters of high or low values. Navigate to the main menu and click on the Tools button. In the search window, look for the Hotspot Analysis tool. Once selected, click on Hotspot Analysis, Getis-Ord Gi. For the Input Feature class, select your layer West and Score Counties. In the Input field, choose the Median Income field. Set the Output Feature class name to Median Income and Score Hotspots. In the Conceptualization of Spatial Relationships, choose Contiguity Edges Only. No further changes are needed. Click Run to execute the tool. Unlike global statistics, this process generates a new spatial output added to your map. Let's observe the results. The red areas represent hotspots, indicating clusters of counties with high median income. The blue areas represent cold spots, indicating clusters of counties with low median income. White areas represent random patterns, those that are not statistically significant. The intensity of the color indicates the level of statistical significance at the 90, 95, and 99% confidence intervals. It is important to note that unlike global Moran's eye, this is not a global test, but a local one. If you open the attribute table, you will see that the unique p-value has been generated for each individual county. Here, you can see the histogram for the median income variable in the median income hot layer. A key point to remember is that this chart does not directly show the hotspots. However, it is essential for understanding your input data before running the final analysis. Let's look at the data distribution. The line with a value of $43,540 is the blue line representing the center of gravity of your data. The median at $42,314 is marked by the purple line. Regarding skewness, since the mean is slightly greater than the median, the distribution shows a very mild positive skew, the right skewed pattern. This indicates that a limited number of areas with very high incomes have pulled the mean toward the higher end. The gray lines represent the standard deviation, indicating that the majority of your observations are concentrated within the $30,000 to $55,000 range. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more GIS tutorials. Thank you for watching